Okay, guys. So a lot of us can't really afford to buy a lot of, I guess, Harley parts, expensive ones, because we're too busy saving for pipes, head pipes, air filters, things that really matter. So instead of buying the Easy Shift, what I've done is went on to AliExpress and bought this free postage. £21 free postage. Pretty much the same thing, but what we're going to do now is we're going to see if it fits. Hopefully it will. So pretty much to replace this out, what you really need is 1/4 inch Allen and I think it's 7/16. Yeah, 7/16. And so what we're going to do is we're going to see it. Now I've seen a few videos of these. People bought them on Amazon and they didn't fit. One guy had to actually grind the inside of it out to make it fit. So what we're going to do is pretty much just try and slip that on there. In fact, I have another camera here. Let me just flick this on. Okay, so yeah, so I just slipped it over the back there and I have the other video running and it pretty much just slips on there. So what I'm going to do is take off this back part of the shift linkage. And once we get this off, okay, so that's that part of the shift linkage off. Get some Loctite on that. Don't need a whole lot. I kind of know everybody else. Some people like to use the liquid stuff. I like to use the lipstick form, if you will. And then I'm going to do the same with this grub screw that goes in the back here. I'm just going to get some blue Loctite on that. Stop that coming out. Now, what I also done, which I'll show you in a minute, is I actually got a shift linkage off AliExpress as well. I mean, I honestly and truly just cannot afford to drop down £50 to £100 on friggin' shift linkages and everything else, you know. I mean, it's just not feasible for me to do that. I mean, that's a lot of money to start dropping down on tools, especially. I'm actually saving for a full set of pipes for this. It has the stock header pipes and I have Vance and Hines slip-ons. I just put an S&S air cleaner on it. But the likes of the Easy Shift stuff and things like that. I mean, finding neutral on this. This is a 2012 Road King. Finding neutral on this really isn't that hard, but at times it is. You know, you're up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. It's jumping back and forward. You know, it could be a real pain in the ass, like. So I'm just going to see if this works. Hopefully it does make a bit of a difference, you know. As for, I mean, S&S air cleaner was a big one for me. The Power Vision, black, old school one, if you will, for some people, was a must as well, you know. So I put the air cleaner on, I had those pipes on, I mean, it did a tune, took the bike out, done the auto tune and stuff on it, and it's running good. But my next goal really and truly is a nice set of pipes for the bike. Now, I'm not really into the sound of a bike all that much, you know, so I'm still in the process of, I'm online, got video after video after video after video, just trying to get things done, you know. You just need to get that away. Once you get it tight, get it away. Nip like that. I want to get a nice set of pipes. I mean, I don't know whether to go for the 2-in-1s or the. I might have put gloves on there, didn't I think about not putting them on. Take the other side of the ship linkage off, which I shall bring this camera out. Maybe swivel it around there. You're 7/16 again. I was lucky enough that living over the Central metric, when I moved back from the States, I actually brought my craftsman tools with me, so I didn't have to go out and start buying real tools. So, you know. So yeah, I'm just taking the rest of the shift linkage off here because I'm going to replace that with the other part that I literally just bought. Now this doesn't seem to be failing, but the last thing I want to do is be out on the road and have it fail. I mean, I don't think it's ever been changed since. I don't think it's ever been changed since the bike was new, you know, so it's 2012. I mean, it's 13-year-old, so so shift linkage is bought on AliExpress, and it comes with all your mounting hardware, a nice chrome one, good bit of weight to it. I think this was £14, free postage, you know, so I mean, it feels solid enough. The ad said it was made from billet. That remains to be seen. Doesn't feel heavy enough to be billet, but it seems sturdy enough. It seems like it will do its thing, you know. So we'll see. We will see. And after me telling us all I need to go, that I brought my craftsman tools back. I need to see this. I'll probably need metric to put it on. So yeah, there's absolutely no way I could justify dropping that kind of money down. Um, Plain and simple fact is I just can't afford it. I understand that companies have to make their money, they make the stuff, they make good stuff. You know, same as a Figurati. I actually think they're the same. I can only get them in America. They charge $25 postage. It's really true. It really isn't bad. But you take into account you're buying the unit, which I think is worth the money. I'd rather get the Pro one. It's $130. $25 postage, $155. Because it's then bought at $155. There's import tax on it, so have the import tax on it. So it's creeping up then towards $200 mark. So to me at the minute it's just not worth it. I'd rather get my header pipes eventually. I mean, I'm saving for them. But once I get the header pipes done, get the money saved for that. I got the S&S air cleaner on. Once you get the money up for the header pipes, that'll be next. And I'll take her out and do the auto tune and stuff on it, and I'll contact Damage They're pretty good at getting back to you. They'll give you a stock. They'll give you the stock map, and then just do an auto tune and that. So they'll give me one for. But that's the thing. See, I'm still looking at pipes. I don't know if I want to get a 2-2 or 2-1-2. I've had a look here. Can't seem to find the 2-1-2s anywhere. Within Northern Ireland, which is where I'm from, or anywhere in the UK, they'll seem to be either 2-2s or true jewels. I don't want to go true jewels. I'd rather go the either a 2-2 or 2-1-2. Put all these tools away. That's it, done for the minute. But I'll let you know how it works out with the AliExpress stuff, because it's say 31 quid. It's on shift linkage. I'm just looking at this one that I took off of it. There's actually a bend in it. It's slight, not a big bend, but a fucking slight bend in it. Pardon the language. It's not. So I'm kind of glad that I actually took the time and done that. But I'll keep this in a saddlebag in the event of. It's not a case of will I need it. And with these things, apparently, it's a case of you will need it eventually. I don't know what the bearings are in these ones, how the rotor bearings are shaped in, how they're spaced. But this one doesn't seem to be. I mean, it's not damaged, not broken. It's still working away, but no doubt it will eventually. A lot of them, we're playing that one. That one there could be shot. That one there doesn't have much movement. But anyway, that's it. I'll talk to you later. I'll let you know how this works out.